is Badrish. I'm an associate ISR here in India, and today I'm going to talk about EMC's data protection strategy for our customers for today and tomorrow. In order to put the whole thing into context, first I'll talk about some stats, some facts and figures being derived by the recently done survey on data protection all around the world. Then I'll touch upon EMC's solution for data protection for our customers. And finally, I'll talk about some business outcomes for our customers who have got benefited from EMC data protection solutions. So without further ado, let's get started. So when we look at IT industry today, there's this phenomenal transformation happening because of the four major trends, namely social, mobile, cloud, and big data. And these trends are being driven by end users like me and you, which is resulting in an explosion of information. IDC predicts data will be 44 zettabytes by 2020. Yet, as per a recent survey done with 3,300 IT professionals, it was found that 51% of customers don't have any data protection strategy, out of which 71% who do are not sure if they can protect these information on all these new platforms. The total cost estimated in data loss and data protection was around $1.7 trillion. And finally, 58% of customers said that they were losing their cloud application data. Furthermore complicated, application owners are putting pressure and asking for tools like self-service, automation, flexibility, and choice. So as we all know that different applications require different kind of SLAs. There would be different RPOs and different RTOs, which can range from always on to never gone. And in between, we have different applications. As I said, different applications require different kind of SLAs. So we have continuous data protection, we have replication, snaps, backup to disk, and code archive. What's unique about EMC is the ability to provide data protection all throughout this continuum. I would also like to touch upon our own survey, which was done around 24 countries, and it was found that if you deal with one dealer for data protection, then you will be able to have least amount of downtime and data loss, in comparison to dealing with different vendors for different data protection solutions. We have also introduced a new technology called software storage integrated data protection, which means that now you can directly protect the information from the primary storage to the protection storage, in comparison to traditionally what we were doing using a backup server in between, which was creating a lot of lag, and it was giving you excessive amount of backup windows. So what we have achieved from this is 20% faster backups, and we are able to eliminate the application impact as well. Now, if we talk about, we discussed about the changing of this high growth of data. So as we discussed, even our consumption model are also changing. We were using most of our applications on-premise. Most of them are virtualized. And now with the changing times, we have adopted cloud technology. Most of our applications are on public cloud, like SFDC, Salesforce.com is a SaaS application, which is a public cloud. And most of our applications are on private cloud. and a combination of both is hybrid cloud, as I've rightly mentioned here. Now, as we were talking about this high data growth and data needs to be protected everywhere, what EMC's solution around it? So I'd like to touch upon one more feature that we have recently introduced, which is software-defined data protection. What we have done here is that from all our versions of data protection solutions, we have introduced the software version of that so that you can get data protection all through the continuum. And as I've said, why EMC is unique is the ability to provide data protection no matter if it is an on-premise, virtualized environment, hybrid cloud, private cloud, or public cloud. So we are giving data protection everywhere. To end this, I would like to share some of the business outcomes that our customers have seen using EMC data protection solutions. First, KPIT, a well-known technology company in India, were using a lot of tapes. With EMC's disk-based backup appliance data domain, they have eliminated tapes from the environment and have gained hugely in terms of cost. They've been able to reduce 70% of cost from tapes and servers. Second example I would like to share is about an oil exploration company, which is Crane India. Again, they were using a lot of tapes, and apart from that, they were also looking for a solution which can back up the data at the source level, which means they wanted a data protection strategy at the individual computers, individual systems, or probably remote office and back office. With our source-based data protection solution, Avamar, they have been able to achieve this. And have seen a lot of cost reduction, and also they have, as I've told you, they have also eliminated tapes from the environment. So this is our solution, this is our methodology which customers are adopting today and protecting themselves for future. As I've said, this is not about the traditional way of protecting information on premise. People are moving to the cloud, and this data needs to be protected everywhere. I hope this message is useful, and you will be able to get some more information on it whenever you want to. Thank you so much.